Dwayne "Dog" Chapman and his wife Beth Chapman became reality TV sensations after showcasing their bail bondsman skills on national television. Dog and Beth married in their home state of Hawaii during 2006, but just one day prior, Dog's daughter Barbara passed away after a car accident in Alaska. During their wedding, the family agreed upon using that time to not only celebrate their union, but the 23-year-old's life as well. The Chapmans said "I do" 3 years prior to their show, Dog the Bounty Hunter, which first aired in 2003 and ran all the way through 2012. The popular reality series aired on A&E, but in 2013, CMT picked up a spin-off called Dog and Beth on the Hunt, which featured the famous couple helping out other bail bondsman companies who were about to go out of business. The show lasted through 2015, but just 2 years later, Beth shared the devastating news with her fans that she had been diagnosed with throat cancer. It didn't take long before Dog opened up about it, saying he remembers one evening, Beth woke up in the middle of the night telling him she was gonna die. He said, "No, you're not gonna die, and I'm not gonna hear that." She responded comically by telling him he was too gonna hear it, saying, "You're stupid. How are you gonna make it by yourself?" Sure enough, Beth beat the cancer, but sadly, it came back. She went in for emergency surgery in November of 2018, and just 8 months later, she was put into a medically induced coma. Days later, on June 26th, Dog confirmed via Twitter that his sweet wife had taken the stairway to heaven. Her family, friends, and fans alike have all shown their love and support for the mom, wife, and reality TV star. Dog and Beth were set to star in a new reality series called Dogs Most Wanted, scheduled to air on WGN America. So far, there's not been a date set, so make sure you keep it right here at popculture.com for any updates.